Hello viewers, to make this frothy coffee, pour 3/4 cup of milk into a saucepan and boil it on a medium to medium high heat. Let the milk come to a boil. While the milk is heating up, you can prepare the coffee decoction. For this, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder into a cup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of hot water. It's time to use a milk frother now. I'm using the handheld milk frother. Turn on the frother and move it up and down until foamy bubbles form, about 30 seconds or so. Be careful as to not break the glass or cup. Pour the hot boiled milk into this. And there, your hot frothy coffee is now ready to be served. Now let's make the coffee without the frother. This coffee is frothy too, but not as much as the previous one. We'll repeat the same steps. Boil 3/4 cup of milk, and while that's happening, you can prepare the coffee decoction. Add a teaspoon of instant coffee powder into a cup or glass. You can add 1.5 teaspoons as well if you want a stronger taste. Add a tablespoon of sugar or as much as you want. Then add 5 tablespoons of hot water. And now instead of using the hand frother, we will use the simple equipment that is the spoon. Stir well for around 2 minutes. Bubbles start forming. Yeah, so now it's time to make the milk a little frothy. So we will beat the milk until it turns frothy. You can also add it into a heat resistant jar or bottle and shake it well until it turns frothy. Don't beat it a lot because it will get chilled. Okay, I'm satisfied, so I'm going to add the frothy milk into the glass from a distance. And here, that's it. Your frothy coffee is ready to be served. Enjoy!